We are at Syokimau, and we are at a certain estate. We are installing an alarm system that can be controlled from different homesteads. Welcome. The alarm system will allow different residents from this estate to trigger one alarm system from different location using this wireless remote control. So what will happen is, if anybody senses danger or they see intruders at any time, they will be able to press this button. And once they do that, it will set the alarm system, and all the neighbors will be notified that they are intruders. So this integrated alarm system will compose the following gadgets. Number one, as you can see, we have an adapter box that inside it we're going to put the horn, the Siren horn. Again, on top of it, we'll have the Siren light. Now, to make sure that this system is accessible wirelessly, we are going to install this remote wireless remote controller. This is a receiver that is able to receive signal as far as 100 meters away, meaning that when there are intruders, the residents will press on this button, and now this button will communicate with this wireless receiver, and this wireless receiver will now trigger the alarm system. We are here to give solutions to technical problems. If you would want us to install such a system in your estate, in your house, just call us on the numbers below. Asanteni sana.